These FPS fixes work on any game. Some of these I don't see people using, but they work for me. Let's set up a restore point. If you click on Start, type in Restore. You should see Create a Restore Point. Left click on this. Let's bring it to the center so you guys can see what I'm doing. If it's not already turned on, double click on this and click on Configure and Turn On. Then click on Create a Restore Point. Give it a name, something you remember. So, before game settings. That way you've always got a fallback point if something goes wrong. Just on Create. Give it a few seconds. You should see this message saying your restore point was created successfully. If you want to restore your system, say later on down the road, say you skip a step or something doesn't go right, you can click on System Restore, click on Next, choose your restore point, click Next, and then finally finish. It will undo all the changes you've made since the restore point. I'm going to cancel this for now. Let's dive into step 1. Now we're backed up. Let's get on with the tweaks. Step 1. Quick wins. Fast FPS in under 2 minutes. So what you got to do is go to the Start menu, type in Game Mode, click on Game Mode Settings, and make sure Game Mode is turned on. The second one is to turn on optimizations for Windows games. To do that one, in the settings as well, just come up to the top here, type in Display, go to Display Settings, Graphics, which is down here. What you're looking for is optimization for Windows games, so turn this one on. Next thing you also want is in the Advanced Graphics Settings, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, turn that one on. If your system stutters, you can always turn it back off later, but I tend to find this helps. Next step is to force Fortnite to use your GPU. If you scroll down to your apps list, down here, a GPU preference, let Windows decide, put it onto high performance mode. This will stop Windows from using any onboard graphics in your machine. It sometimes goes to that first to check before it will kick in with your GPU. This just gives it a little bit of a pointer in the right direction. Disable all overlays. If you've got Discord on your machine, make sure you turn the game overlay off. Xbox Game Bar, and if you want to turn that one off in Windows, Xbox Game Bar settings, turn this off. Also, if you've got the NVIDIA and AMD overlay, turn those off as well. And any Steam overlays, turn those off as well. These overlays steal resources from your system. Make sure they're all off. Next is the power mode. Type in Power Settings, Power Action Settings, or Power and Sleep takes the same location. Power Mode, Best Performance. Once you've tackled those steps, let's disable some startup junk. Let's close this. Go back down to the Start menu. Type in Start, Apps, and just start switching off stuff you don't need. Make sure you leave your antivirus on. You don't want any problems later down the track. So Copilot, OneDrive, Teams, mobile devices, anything and everything that's not your antivirus. Next one is to disable Windows animations. It loves to fade in and fade out. Best way to do that one is click on Start, type in View Advanced System Settings, come across here to this box, click on Performance Settings, adjust for best performance. You can leave the drop shadows on, it doesn't make a difference. And I tend to leave the Save Thumbnail Previews on and just press Apply and OK. That should massively speed up your PC and give you performance. Let's dive in with some GPU settings, starting with the NVIDIA control panel. Don't worry if you've got an AMD card, I'll cover those settings straight after the NVIDIA ones. For all you NVIDIA users out there, right click the desktop, go to the NVIDIA control panel, and you should see this page, Manage 3D Settings. You want to come into this box here, look for low latency mode, and make sure that's turned on. You can try the ultra setting if you want. I've got mine on. It just seems to work better for me, but feel free to experiment. Shader cache is next. Scroll down to the driver default, change that up to 10 gig. Next is the power management mode. It's currently set to normal. for maximum performance. Another setting in here is the texture filtering quality. You want to set this one to high performance. Scroll back to the top to the sampling optimization. This is for older GPUs, so if you see the option here, make sure you turn it off. Setting to tackle the vertical sync. Down here, turn it off. Once you've checked and done those settings, come down here to the right hand corner and click apply. Open the Adrenalin software by right clicking the desktop, AMD software Adrenalin edition. Click on the cog setting, top right hand corner. Inside the general settings, make sure you turn off the in-game overlay, record to stream, instant replay with any hotkeys. Once you've tackled those settings, go to settings, graphics, global graphics, texture filtering quality, put that on performance. Make sure the surface format optimization is on. Tesla is an AMD optimized. Wait for the vertical refresh. Make sure that's off, unless the application specifically specifies it. Anti-lag, turn that off as well. Radeon boost, turn that off. For image sharpening, also off. But again, that's an optional step. It works for some people, not for others. Try it. Let me know in the comments, see what you think below. Next step is step 3. Windows fixes that actually matter. These stop Windows quietly eating up your FPS. Click on Start. Type in Run. Show me on the Run box. Type in percentage, temp percentage, and press Enter. Or click OK. Here's all your temp files. This removes any leftover junk and slowing things down. Just do a Control and A, and then press Delete. Continue. Continue. If you get this message, it's being used by the system. Just skip that one. And there you go. Next thing to tackle is to clear the DirectX shader cache. So click on Start. Type in Disk Cleanup. Press Enter. Or left. You scroll down a little bit. This is the one we're after. Mine's currently to 0 because I've already run it today. I'll just click OK. Delete files. That will delete any direct shaders, so Windows can rebuild clean ones. Let's close this box. Next step, close the widgets or disable the widgets. So we can right click down here, go to taskbar settings. You can keep the search box on. I found this doesn't have much of an impact. Turn off the widgets, turn off the task view. Next thing to do is disable background app permissions. To do that one, come over to the left hand side, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. There's a list of all the apps. If you click on the 3 dots on the end, Advanced Options, it's power optimized at the minute. You can turn it off to never. If you really want to optimize your machine, I highly recommend you do that for each individual app. This not only stops them from running in the background, it gives you maximum RAM for your games. If these fixes are helping you already, hit the like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content is actually useful and helps us grow. For the NVIDIA users out there, you need to clear your NVIDIA cache. So click on Start, type in Run. I'll leave these in the description for you, so you can just copy and paste. Type in percentage local app data percentage /NVIDIA. Click OK. You should see these 2 folders, cache and GL cache. So just go into one of these folders, click on any file, press Ctrl and A, and press Delete. Click on Skip. It will offload most of them. Go back to the NVIDIA, GL cache, click on this folder, and delete. Skip that one. If we close this folder, go back to our Run box, click on Run again, paste this in from the description, click OK. Should bring you to this folder, local Fortnite saved. In here you should see a D3D folder. If you see that in here, delete the contents. If not, just skip it. Some systems store old shaders here. Clear them out, it removes some as well. Let's close this folder then. Close the Run box. Next one is to turn off captures built into Windows. So click on Start, click on Settings, go down to Gaming, on the left hand side. Captures. Now if you don't see a slider here, turn game captures off. It's already disabled, so you don't need to do anything in this section. Next is USB polling rate and tweaks. So if you've got mouse software or any custom software on your PC, open your mouse software up, go to your polling settings and set the rate to 500 Hz. It's more stable on mid-range CPUs than 1000 Hz. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Now a bonus trick, which most places won't tell you about. This bonus trick is a hidden full screen fix. Most players miss this, but it fixes most micro stutters. This is how you find it. Close this box down. This can be difficult to find this file, so what I'll do for you is in the description, I'll leave a link so you can just copy and paste it into your own. So it's literally local disk C, program files, Epic Games, Fortnite game, binaries, and then finally Win64. Come down here, you should see Fortnite client Win64 shipping. Just right click that one. Go to show more options. Properties. Should see this box. Go to compatibility and then disable full screen optimization. This one here. Click apply and OK. This forces true full screen rendering and stops Windows from interfering with the frame rate pacing. I hope this helps and good luck out there with your games. Keep your system sharp. If this helped, don't stop here. The video on screen now will help you take your PC even further, and I'll see you over there.